Hello everyone, in this video we are going to add a menu to our game. So with that, let's just get started. The first thing that we are going to need is to add a new scene. So let's go ahead and go to the scene folder and click on create, then add a scene. Let's call it scene underscore main menu. Now if you might remember, and don't worry if this is your first video in this channel, but earlier we had created a couple of levels and added them here. Oh great, so this is already added, so that's good for us. Go ahead and select that in the build settings. So at index 0 you have main menu, which is what we needed. So let's go ahead and open the main menu and add an empty object for handling the main menu, beneath which we are going to create a child object canvas, and make sure that you under the canvas scaler you change it to scale with size. Now below the canvas I'm going to add under UI a button TextMeshPro. This button is already of good size, but if it's not to your liking, you can go to the child object of text and change the font size here. This looks good for me. This is exactly what I was looking for, so I'll just change the text to play. Now I'll need a script in order to be in order that so that when I click on play, the first scene loads. So I'll right click on it, on this scripts area, create a C# script, which is let's call it play script. I'm going to add the play script to first I'm going to wait for it to load and do its thing. Once that's done, I'll move it to main menu. Okay, that didn't work. Let's add main menu. Now let's open play script and what we are going to do, okay, so I could have called main menu, that's what I did earlier. But so what we are going to do is get rid of all of this. We are going to define a public function which is void, because it will not return anything, and it will do, all it will do is play. And and what I'm going to do is define the play function, and for that I will need the Unity engine scene management, and let's go down, use scene manager dot load scene, yes, and it's on index 1, the first level that we have been building in the previous videos. But if not, this would be the first whatever has index 1 in the build settings. Alright, so let's go back, hopefully it loads correctly, and yes, the compilation is complete. Let's go ahead and click play, and oh yeah, silly me, I still need to add what happens when I click on it. So on click on plus, and then drop the main menu here, click on right, click on play script, click play, and that should do the trick. So now when the user opens the game, this is the first thing they see. They click on play, and voila, they have the game. And it runs on a loop. That's all right. We'll work on that later, but we already have something functional. I think I'm going to behind like offline add some background to it. We already have a wallpaper, I might use that. But yeah, that's it for this video. Now you know how to add a menu to your game.